Hey Scandal Squad, welcome back to the channel, Celebrity Scandalous. I hope you guys are having a beautiful Wednesday. So you guys, Diddy just got some good news, you guys. Let's get into it. He had another case dropped against him. It's one of his civil suits, but let's get into the details. And you can find the same information on TMZ. And basically, this was a case that was filed by this man. It says Diddy racks up another legal victory. The actual battery case has been tossed. While Diddy's sitting in jail awaiting his federal sentencing, they're saying he can celebrate a win in this civil case filed by a guy who claimed the mogul drugged him and actually assaulted him in a nightclub. So the case was filed back in February. The plaintiff said he was an up-and-coming 23-year-old artist in 2015 when he got to meet Diddy. He got a gig at a club in Los Angeles, and Diddy was there. So basically, the article is going on to say this sounds like most of the rest of Diddy's lawsuits. To me, it sounds like a lot of these people kind of did a paste and copy, like they took the template and then just kind of shifted the details a little bit. I'm not saying that they're all lying. Some people are lying, some people are telling the truth. So I guess we just have to get to who's being honest here. But it says the alleged details sound like several of Diddy's other lawsuits. The John Doe plaintiff claimed he'd been given a drink, fell unconscious, and woke up to Diddy having unwanted sexual contact with him. And this was a lawsuit filed by Tony Busby on behalf of the John Doe. And he said that Diddy had claimed to, he also claimed that Diddy threatened his future career if he didn't, go along with whatever Diddy was supposedly trying to do that night. But here's the catch. It says, but a New York judge says Doe waited too long to file the lawsuit in the state. And according to the order obtained by TMZ, the case is now dismissed. Now, this is what is troubling to me because Tony Busby is a seasoned veteran, supposed to be an elite attorney. Shouldn't he know the statutes of limitation in whatever particular state and or case? I mean, that's something that you're supposed to know as the attorney of record if you're filing a suit. Kind of weird to me. But anyway, it goes on to say the judge said there was a 5-year statute of limitations when the alleged assault went down. She also noted a new law passed in 2019 extending the statute to 20 years is not retroactive and therefore does not apply to this case. So I feel like these attorneys who are bringing all of these lawsuits, that they need to do better due diligence in researching the actual statutes per state, whatever they're supposed to be doing, especially a Busby. The plaintiff had also accused Diddy's companies, Bad Boy Entertainment and Combs Enterprises, but those suits have also been dismissed. As we reported, Diddy recently scored wins in a few other civil lawsuits filed against him. Of course, there are dozens more that he has to deal with, and he'll soon find out his sentencing in the federal case on October 3rd. So if you guys have been following my channel, you know from the very beginning of this, I said that most of these cases are just kind of going to go away. Just based on some of the allegations that were made, the time, the initial filings, the court filings, if you read through some of those pleadings, it's just the cause of actions just, to me, they just seem very flimsy. And again, it seems like a wash, rinse, and repeat on a lot of these suits. So I believe like the majority of them are going to fall to the wayside. And I still think that Diddy has an uphill battle that he's going to have to still fight some of these civil cases. But as we can see almost every week, more and more of these cases are being dismissed. But you guys jump in the comments and let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you on the next video.